Today I am going to step through my current plans for the week of August 5th through August 11th. This is going to be the last quiet week before the younger two kids go back to school. We got most of the back to school shopping done last week, but I imagine there might be some last minute surprises this week that we're going to need to take care of. I haven't gone through their clothes yet. I think everything still fits. I think they're going to be just fine clothes wise, and school supplies. I think we have everything, but I don't know. I've been surprised in the past. Cadence will be moving into the dorm the following week and hasn't started packing yet. I think once she starts packing, she might think of a few more things that she needs to bring. Today I've been fighting with my printer most of the day, and I just needed to sit down and put some plans on paper, enjoy some quiet, relaxing time, and kind of think through how to make the next few weeks as easily as possible. I got a lot of things printed and mailed out for the shop last week. Some fun fall designs plans, started thinking through what I'm going to do for the holiday season. So I'm looking forward to that. Some of the designs I've seen are really, really cute. I've taken a look at my social media plan for the next 2 weeks, and things are changing already. When I put these stickers in the kit, I thought I had a pretty good plan for the week, and I already am going to have to change Friday the 9th. We'll see that here in a little bit when I get those stickers down, but the 9th is National Co-working Day, and a lot of my coworkers are going back to the office. Almost everybody was remote during COVID, and people are being asked to return to the office. I don't know what the plan's going to be for me. I've been working from home since 2012. I don't know how to act in the office or around people. It's scary. So for International Co-working Day, I was going to put a care package together for some of my team members that are in another city. And then I was going to put another care package together for the people I work with that are in a different city. But with return to office, they've got shared neighborhoods instead of assigned seating, and they are no longer allowed to keep personal things or anything, really. I don't think they can leave pens or notebooks or anything in their workspace. So that's going to change my plans. I wanted to send... I didn't think through everything yet, but there are some sticky notes that I think are really cute that I want to put in there. Not sure if I could mail Lysol, but one of the ladies was saying that there are people in her workspace they're just sneezing all the time. They're just making a lot of noise, a lot of germs. So I thought it would be funny if she could kind of channel Shelton. I think it would be funny, but again, they don't let me go to the office right now because I'm weird like that. So I don't know what I'm going to post on Friday, since I can't send my care package. So on to Monday, on my to-do boxes, I got a kit I want to design for my UV shop. I'm going to print a sticker kit for next week for planning, and I'm going to mail a couple orders out. There is day 2 of primary pictures, which I don't think we have to go to because Caleb went Friday. I'm going to do some laundry, linens, either bedding or towels. It depends on how many towels we have left. And I've got my water tracker, and I've got a few blank boxes for things that pop up. Moving on to Tuesday, really the only thing that I know I need to do is water the plants. It gets really hot. Most of our plants are on a drip system, but there are a couple that aren't, and if I don't water them twice a week, they will die. So I'm going to water the plants. Brinley and Caleb both have preseason soccer practice in the evening. I've got my water tracker, and then I have 3 placeholders that I'm going to fill in as the week progresses. On Wednesday, I have a few more things. I know that I need to print out some UV designs. I'm going to actually sit down and plan the following week. And then I didn't pencil this in yet, but the kids' schedules are going to be online in the system, so they'll want to know who their teachers are. So I need to check that on Wednesday. I'm going to do laundry, probably mine. Everybody likes to do their laundry on Sunday, but there are 6 of us, and if we all do laundry on Sunday, somebody's going to get mad because things don't get done. So I'll probably do mine on Wednesday. And then Brinley's schedule for soccer is going to be ready. The draft schedule is going to be ready on the 7th. So I want to see what that looks like tentatively. Moving on to Thursday, I need to make some updates in Shopify. And then I've been neglecting my Scentsy Facebook group. So I probably should update that. I was supposed to last week and I did not get around to doing that. So I need to pay some attention to that. And then I've got 4 blank stickers I'm going to put down, and then my water tracker. I do usually end up doing like a weight check on Thursday, so I'll probably use one of the boxes for that. On Friday, I am going to water the plants again. And last week I was going to organize the laundry room, but my husband wants to repaint the walls and restain the shelving in there, so I can't do the organization stuff until that gets done. So I think I'm going to do that on Friday. That should give us some time to get that done. I'm on vacation on Friday. I do take a lot of Fridays off. It lengthens my weekend, and I think it's awesome. Adhesive Apothecary has restocked, so I'll need to post something about that. And then I've got my water tracker. Saturday, it looks super quiet. I'm hoping nothing pops up, but it just might. Right now I'm just going to prep meds for everybody for the following week. And then I'm going to do some last minute back to school shopping with Caleb. I am also going to do Caleb's laundry. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing his every Saturday. That way Jason and Paige can do theirs on Sunday, and Brinley too, probably without any fighting. Moving on to Sunday, I just have some basic accounting to do for the shop, and that is it. I might do some last minute back to school shopping for Cadence. And we have a couple packages that should be here from Amazon, but they might come in Saturday, they might come in Monday. I'm not sure yet because that's still a week out, so it's hard to say. And then I have a couple blank boxes and my water tracker that I'm going to put down. I probably don't need to keep using these water trackers because I'm pretty good about getting probably about 80 to 90 ounces of water. I like water, so I don't usually have a problem filling that up. So moving on to my social media stickers. Monday, it's Sister's Day. I'm probably going to put a cup holder there. Tuesday, I'm going to do root beer float post. Wednesday's Lighthouse. Thursday's International Cat Day. Friday, I mixed them up. I mixed up Wednesday and Thursday, so I'm shuffling them there. Friday we talked about, I don't know what I'm going to post yet. It was going to be co-working day. Saturday is going to be s'mores latte and new releases, and Sunday will be a garage sale post along with a plan with me. That's this week.